is the Val School Academy, ready to present you a poem entitled
Love and Care.
Yes, Love and Care. Sit back, relax, and enjoy with us. Welcome. What can be done for a child on the streets? What can we do to help meet their needs? Each child should receive enough food, clothing, shelter, and education. Actions speak louder than words. It says, so above all, my actions should show I am guided by the values of justice and respect for all. Are you ready to answer the call? It might be hard, but we can raise the alarm. That street life is rough and results in much harm. I know if we all work hard, we will see more love and justice in our communities. Bless you.
Makofi, makofi.